Hi, it's Justin Costello, Marine Max Pompano Beach. Give you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. It's powered with twin 350 Verados in white with joystick piloting. If you're not familiar with this boat, it's here. Come take a look at it. It's a great family boat, fishing boat, cruising boat, offshore, seaworthy vessel. Look at that large hard top, extending sunshade in the back. It's got the fishing package with the rod holders. So you can do all your fishing down here. Dive door on the starboard side, and then your summer kitchen area. Nice deep live wall, barbecue grill, 12-volt refrigerator, and look at all the plethora of seating that you have on this boat. Walk right through to the front. You can have another filler cushion here that you have the sun pad, bow table, flush with the anchor deck here at the anchor through hull. Great boat, lots of options. And a nice little storage compartment down there. Again, it's Justin Costello, Marine Max Pompano Beach. Got any questions, give us a call, 954-633-2070. This boat's available. It's a 2019 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage.